If you would like your students to keep a learning diary or a diary of any sort, Fusion has a My Diary tool. This can also be used as a portfolio tool for students. I'm logged in as a student, and to access my diary I can click on this header, or I can go up here to quick links and my diary is there. Diary entries can be private or they can be shared. If a student's diary entries are shared, they need to be approved by a teacher. You can see that Georgia's diary entries are shared to everyone. If I come here into sharing, I can change that to entirely private. I can share to everyone or to teachers only. To add a new diary entry, click on the Add New, give it a title. Because my diary is shared, I'm asked who will approve my new diary entry. So I select my teacher and I add the content. And when I've finished adding my content, scroll to the bottom and continue. And that's very simple for students. You can see that diary approval is required. So let's log in as a teacher and see what they see. Logged in as a teacher, I can see that approval is required for a diary entry. The message gives me a link to the diary entry. I can see it here, and I can simply click to approve. I can also go back and unapprove it again if I want to. I can also comment on Georgia's diary and continue. If I go to my own home page of diaries, as a teacher I have my own diary entries if I want to. You can see that I have shared to teachers only, and I can choose to browse other people's diaries. So the most recent diary entries are here, and I can download any of these diary entries as a PDF. Logged in again as Georgia, I can see that there's a star and a yellow colouring on my new diary entry. I click in and I can see the teacher's comment here. If I go to my diary, I can see that this post has now been approved. I as a student can delete my post, edit further, or download. I can also click up here to export to PDF, and you'll see the message here, the diary has been exported, and I can click to find it, and you can see all of my diary entries in one PDF. This is really useful if you want to keep a permanent record of an e-portfolio. So that's Fusion's My Diary tool. I hope you find it useful.